We've now activated the theme, and look what's happened. Open link in new tab. You have a completely different looking website. Very powerful. In seconds. So pretty cool stuff. Also, guys, I'm going to show you some really cool tricks and hacks that I've learned over the years with WordPress. So a lot of high value here. Stay along for the ride. It's going to be long, but it's going to be worth it. Okay, now that we got our theme squared away, let's go over here to plugins. This is another cool, really cool feature about WordPress. Let's go to installed plugins, and we're going to clean some of this stuff up. This WP Super Cache plugin is fantastic. It caches all your content, so your site is ultimately sped up. It's not loading the content every time someone accesses a page or post or picture, video, etc. It's awesome. So what we're going to do here is add a couple of plugins right here. Add new. Let's search for Google Analytics. We'll install this. Activate the plugin. Okay, let's go with another one, add new. You're going to need a Google Analytics account for that as well, and that's actually on my membership site over here. I'll show you here in a second. Let's see. I step you through every single aspect of WordPress. Everything you need to know about your WordPress site, internet marketing that's related to your WordPress site. So there's tons of information here on how to do that. So if you'd like to learn how to do that, go over to websitesmadeeasy.tv and just enter your email and you will have access to this site. So a lot of good stuff there. Anyway, let's go back over to the task at hand. Let's see. So Google XML sitemaps. We're going to install this. What this plugin does, it makes your website, it helps index all your content so that when the search engines come by, that it can recognize where your content is, all the pages, posts, everything, so it's nice and organized for the search engines. Okay, so we're going to install that. As far as I'm concerned, it's imperative to have this if you want to have a search engine friendly website. Okay, so we have the Google Analytics, Google XML sitemaps, and let's do all-in-one SEO pack install now. So this is all, it's pretty self-explanatory. This one's going to just optimize your website for the search engines. Okay, we're now inside the all-in-one SEO plugin options area. So what we want to do here, you want to pay close attention here. If you want to get your website optimized correctly for the search engines, this is extremely important. Okay, so, and I'm going to show you a couple of examples that illustrate what I'm doing. Okay, so the home title is what is known as your title tags. Okay, and what that looks like is this. We're going to type in, let's say, Newport Beach landscapers. If you look right here, Newport Beach Landscaping Company, this right here, Newport Beach Landscaping Company True Landscape, this is the title tag. This right here underneath the URL, which is the domain name, this underneath here, it says Newport Beach Landscaping Company and Contractor True Landscape, this is the meta description. Okay, these description areas, that's what's known as the meta description. Okay, so we're going to input all this information in here to get our website ready for the search engine so it's recognized for what it is. Okay, let's see. So we're going to just type in Serenascape, and you can, I would actually too put a phone number in here. If you're a local business, put the phone number in here. So we'll just put, no, I can't remember the phone number off the top of my head, but okay, you get the idea. Home description. Just pull this from here. just in the interest of time. I'll go back and do this later. Description. And then you can put in some keywords here. So landscaper. Okay, oh, whoops, I didn't enable. We got to enable the plugin. So up top here, make sure you click enabled. I'm going to update that. And now the site is ready for the search engines. Okay, so if we go back to, see where it says Serenascape up top here in the Firefox above the browser, above these tabs. If I refresh this page, watch what it says. There you go. Serenascape, Newport Beach, California, Orange County landscape design with the phone number. That's ideally what you want to get your website ready for the search engine so Google knows what your website is about. Okay? All right, so we've already installed the all-in-one SEO pack, which ultimately optimizes your entire website for the search engines. Now we're going to install a plugin called SEO-friendly images. Now what this plugin does is it optimizes your images for the search engines. So it'll enable your images to have names, something like landscape design in Newport Beach. So if someone were to look on Google Images for landscape design in Newport Beach and they wanted some examples of that and they clicked on an image and they would ultimately end up back on your website from that image they found. So it's a great way to optimize all of your images on your site for specific keywords that are related to your content. So let's go ahead and install that now. So what we'll do is type in SEO friendly images, search plugins, and we'll just install this now. Activate plugin, and then we'll go down to settings, SEO friendly images. Okay, so basically what this means in here is that any page or post that you have titled, so say your post is, let's just go over to let's see, pages, all pages, open link in new tab, and we have a couple pages here, Fountains, Orange County. So what it's going to do is take this title right here and then add that title to the image. So now your image and content is optimized for the search engines. So you've got all that covered. So ultimately what this is telling Google is this specific page is recognized for Fountains, Orange County. So this would be a viable place to send traffic for anybody typing in that specific phrase into Google. So the more of that, so say you have a couple of images on there that are titled Fountains, Orange County, you have some content in there that's suggesting that that is what this web page is about, and so you had a video in there that was titled that. That's 3 different pieces of content that suggest specifically what this page is about. So by doing this, you're telling Google this is a great place to find this content and to send traffic here. All right, now I'm going to show you how to install and set up the Google Plus Authorship Relative plugin. Now what this plugin ultimately is going to do is it's going to add the Google Relative tag to your website, which going forward into 2013 and beyond is going to be very important for identity and social reputation. It also adds a picture to the search results. So you've seen that sometimes when you're looking and you're looking for something on Google and you can find and you see people with, or excuse me, you see images next to the website there. That's what it's going to do too. So along with your search engine optimization, this is going to be pretty important to have on your website. So basically it's going to establish you as an author and it's going to create an identity for you and your website online. So it's going to be pretty powerful going forward. So I highly recommend adding this plugin to your WordPress arsenal. So what we'll do here is go to Plugins, Add New, Upload, and open that. Install now, activate the plugin. And you can find this plugin on my website, websitesmadeeasy.tv, and you should just be able to install that there. Okay, so just go over there when you have some time, and you can get that plugin there. All right. So what we'll do now is go to, we'll set this up. So we go to Settings, Google Plus Author. We're going to tick off this box right here, Save Settings. And now we want to go to Users, Your Profile. And this is added a Google Plus URL right here. And we want to get that. Now to get this, if you have a Gmail account, if you're not familiar with what Google Plus is, just type in Google Plus into Google and you'll find it there. And it's tied to your email address basically, and you can set it up, but mine's already set up. And we're looking for, just go under Profile. And if you go back up to the URL up here, that's your special your Google Plus URL. And just copy everything before the / posts. Okay? It's that easy to do. And just go back in and just plunk in that Google Plus URL and then update profile. And that's it. And you should be good to go. So now your content will be recognized by you as the author, and you'll have a picture in the search results. So it's pretty powerful. So I highly recommend adding this to your website. Alright, so we've installed some search engine plugins to help people find us ultimately online, and the search engines to be able to recognize what our website is about. Now it's time to engage with prospects, okay, our friends of prospects. So how we're going to do that is with a social plugin called WP Socializer. So what this plugin is going to enable us to do is create an environment on our website to share our content. So for, say for example, somebody comes to your site and they really like the images, or they like the videos or the content that's on the site, they can share it through social bookmarking icons or share buttons like Facebook, Twitter, and ultimately that post or picture or whatever is going to go to Facebook, and their friends of friends will see that, and you get it from there. I mean, it's a great way to really connect and engage with prospects and current customers or clients. So this can't be overlooked. So what we'll do is install this, and what we'll do is go back to, we can either download it here, save file, and then just upload it straight into, we just want to upload the zip file. So we'll go to back over to the plugins page, add new, and you could search for it as well here. You could just do a search in here, but we'll just upload it since we've already downloaded it from their website. So browse, and it should be right there, and then open that, and then install now. And if you have any questions on how to get this thing set up, or further drill down to the specifics of customizing it for your website, they have some great information on their website on how to do that. But I'm going to just set it up pretty quickly here. So we go to Settings, and actually there's a video right here on how to do it. But if we go down to Start Using WP Socializer, okay, let's see what this looks like. All right, another very important thing that we need to do is update our ping list. Now what a ping list does is it tells your website to automatically update key websites such as Google, Yahoo, and Bing that you've published new content on your website. So it's a great way to get new content indexed fast, ultimately improving your search results. And I'm going to show you guys how to do that right now. So just what you would do is type in ping list 2013, and I've already done this search. So you go WordPress ping list 2013, and you just copy this, okay? and you want to copy that, and then we're going to go back